Hi friends, the winters are here and we all dream about a beautiful winter vegetable garden so that we can eat healthy, and growing your own food is healing also. But we have to take some care about our gardens, about the soil preparation, the land preparation, the layout. You will find more videos in my YouTube channel. But today I'm going to discuss something very important, the seed. It is always good if we can keep our seeds in our garden for the next season. Our own seeds are very nice to grow. But if we buy seeds from outside some organic market, or even we store at home, we store it for the whole season. So we have to take care of the seeds before sowing. And that care is called seed treatment. So in this video, I'm going to show you with all the resources we have at home, how we can treat our seeds so that they don't become the carrier of some bad microorganisms like bad fungi to the soil with the seed, so that we have some problems in our crops later on. Some fungal diseases like the damping off, many of them are seed-borne. Many eggs of insects are also there attached to the seed in the storage period. If you buy from an organic seed market, if you collect seeds from farmers like us, or if you keep your own seeds at home, make it sure that before planting or before sowing, you treat your seeds. Now I'm going to take you to my classroom and show you how we treat our seeds with all the local resources we have at the farm or at your home. So I'm going to show you today how we treat the seeds. So I have some pumpkin seeds here, which we kept it from our garden. So you see these seeds are there. Also I have some leafy mustard seed with me, so we will mix it. And in the seeds there might be some, I told you there might be some bad fungus or some eggs of insects attached with, which we have to clear before sowing it to the field. So the seed treatment is. So what I need for this, I am taking some turmeric. So this is around 1 liter of water. For this I am taking around 100 grams of raw turmeric, which I will make into paste. Okay, I will make into paste. Just you can break the fingers. So this much is okay. So now I am taking 100 grams of this raw turmeric, which we harvested from our garden, and mixing it into the water. Raw turmeric. And now I am taking a whole garlic, and I will just also break the garlic. You can take one garlic for this 1 liter of water. Just make a paste out of it. You don't have to remove the skins. So I am putting this garlic also now into this water. I have the stick to mix. So 100 grams of raw turmeric and 1 full garlic. Without removing the skin, I just make a paste and I have mixed it. So I have some papaya leaves here. You can use also, if in your garden you have marigold leaves, you can use marigold leaves also. Cut this papaya leaves or marigold leaves or neem leaves into small pieces like this. Yeah, this much is sufficient for 1 liter of water. I have 3 whole leaves. I cut it into small pieces. Might be I'll make some paste out of this. The smell is so nice. So now this I will just mix again in the mixture. So 1 liter water, turmeric 100 gram, 1 whole garlic, and then some papaya leaf. You can also substitute with marigold leaf and also neem leaves. Now what I do is I add some rice wash water. When we cook rice, we wash the rice. So the water that comes out, we use it. So in 1 liter, I'm putting this 100 ml of rice wash water. And then again, I will mix it. Now this mixture contains once again 1 liter of water, 100 grams of turmeric, raw turmeric paste, 1 garlic made into paste, then around 100 to 200 grams of papaya leaves which I have put. You can also use marigold leaves and neem leaves. And also I have put 100 ml of rice wash water. In my YouTube channel you will find how to make bamboo biochar at home. So put around 100 grams of bamboo biochar which you have made at home. If you don't know how to make it, just see the video which is there in my YouTube channel. It's very easy. You can make it, or for the urban gardeners you can buy it also. Bamboo biochar is a very good even organic fertilizer for your crops in your container gardens and even in your garden. So we mix this all. You just stir it for around 5 minutes. Stir it fast. And now let it settle down. Now we need a cotton cloth. We use this cloth for seed treatment. So now we need the cotton cloth, and then we put the seeds on the cotton cloth. Then we tie them in the cloth. So we will tie them in this cloth. So I take a strip and we tie them in this cloth. So after tying this, I will again use this stick and tie this rope in the stick. And then dip this whole cloth bag with my seeds in this mixture like this. And we have to keep it for 20 to 30 minutes in a cool place. Darker place is much better. And we can have a banana leaf or any kind of leaf, and we can cover this so that no mosquitoes and flies come and contaminate this. And after 20 to 30 minutes, we will take out the seeds and then open the cloth, spread the seeds, set dry, don't dry it in the sun, set dry it, and then sow the seeds for your dream garden. They will grow nicely and give you very healthy, healing food. The liquid which is left over after the seed treatment, just filter it with a cotton cloth and mix 1 part of this into 3 parts of water and sprinkle it all over the soil where you are sowing the seeds. Even in the soil, there are some bad fungi or bad microorganisms which will be also, we can get rid of them also by applying this mixture into the soil. A very simple way, no money to be spent, at home only, very climate smart, organically, we can grow our own food. Don't stop making your beautiful garden look very strong and feed you the strongest food of this world. Thank you for watching this video.